What's the meaning of baud? Baud. Baud.
Baud. Baud. Baud is a unit of measurement used to express the rate at which data is transmitted over a communication channel. It represents the number of signal changes that occur per second, and is named after Émile Baudat, a French telegraph engineer who developed an early teleprinter system. The baud rate is a crucial factor in determining the speed and efficiency of data transmission, as it affects how much information can be sent and received within a given period of time. In digital communication systems, the baud rate is often used interchangeably with the bit rate, but they are not always the same. A higher baud rate generally results in faster data transfer, but may also require more reliable hardware and software to ensure accurate transmission.